Hello, my name is Michael Martin, and this is another video on business research. Today's topic, or this topic, uh, is titled Employee Satisfaction, Work-Life Balance, and Audit Quality, What the Research Actually Shows. Today, I want to discuss an important research study examining the relationship between employee satisfaction, work-life balance, and audit quality in accounting firms. As an independent scholar in business administration, I am particularly interested in how human capital variables influence measurable organizational outcomes. This study provides a compelling example of that connection. The article, published in Current Issues in Auditing, summarizes empirical research examining whether employee perceptions, specifically work life balance and overall job satisfaction, are associated with audit quality outcomes. The researchers analyzed Glassdoor employee ratings from 140 accounting firms between 2008 and 2016. They then linked those employee perception scores to objective audit quality indicators drawn from CompuStat and audit analytics data. So this is not perception alone. This is perception connected to performance. The study addresses two central research questions. First, what factors most strongly drive overall employee satisfaction in accounting firms? Second, are overall satisfaction and work life balance associated with measurable differences in audit quality? Let's begin with the first finding. Across firms, the strongest predictors of overall satisfaction were not compensation or work life balance. Instead, overall satisfaction was most strongly associated with career opportunities, senior management, and organizational culture and values. This is significant. It suggests that long-term professional trajectory and leadership environment weigh more heavily on satisfaction than pay alone. Now, here is where the research becomes particularly interesting. When the authors tested whether overall satisfaction predicts audit quality, they found no statistically significant relationship. Let me repeat that. Overall satisfaction did not significantly predict audit quality. However, work life balance did consistently across multiple audit quality measures. The scholars examined three proxies for audit quality: discretionary accruals, financial restatements, and the issuance of going concern opinions for financially distressed clients. In each case, stronger work life balance ratings were associated with higher audit quality, lower restatement risk, lower discretionary accruals, and more appropriate going concern reporting. In other words, employee morale alone does not appear to drive audit quality, but sustainable workload and balance do. From an independent scholar perspective, this is a critical distinction. Satisfaction is attitudinal. Work-life balance reflects structural workload realities, and structural realities influence cognitive performance. Fatigue affects judgment. Judgment affects audit outcomes. The study also compared Big Four and non-Big Four firms. Interestingly, Big Four firms were rated higher across most categories except work-life balance. And within Big Four firms, audit professionals rated work-life balance lower than non-audit professionals. This reinforces a long-standing industry narrative. Career advancement may come with lifestyle trade-offs. Now, let's consider the managerial implications. If your goal is to improve employee satisfaction, focus on leadership quality, career progression, organizational culture. But if your goal is to protect audit quality, you must address workload sustainability. This research suggests that excessive strain does not merely affect morale, it may affect financial reporting integrity. For retention scholars and practitioners, this creates a nuanced insight. Employee engagement strategies and audit quality strategies are not identical, they overlap. that they are not interchangeable. You can have satisfied employees who are not overworked. Let me say that again. You can have satisfied employees who are overworked, and overworked professionals may still produce lower quality outcomes. From a broader organizational behavior standpoint, this study contributes to human capital theory. It empirically links internal employee experience metrics to external organizational performance indicators. And that is precisely the type of evidence-based insight doctoral research should surface. So here is the high-level takeaway. Culture drives satisfaction. Balance drives quality. If accounting firms and professional service organizations more broadly want sustainable excellence, they must manage both. Leadership leadership without sustainability risks burnout. Sustainability without leadership risks disengagement. Long-term retention and performance require structural alignment. If you are conducting research, employee retention, professional services management, or organizational leadership, this article is worth careful review. It demonstrates that human capital metrics are not soft variables. They are strategic variables, and increasingly, they are measurable. Thank you for engaging with this research discussion. If you would like more independent scholar analysis on employee retention, leadership, and organizational performance, subscribe to the channel. I look forward to continuing the conversation. In the description below, I will share reference to the journal article discussed. Thank you.